What up and good morning. First day in Phuket. Just having breakfast right now.
Yes, it is like 6:30 a.m.
6:30 a.m.
breakfast, and then we're gonna get picked up to go on our little boat to Phi Phi Island.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Perfect. Yeah. Poche. Thank you.
Bougie over here.
Yeah, my boy just bought me my poached egg, so I appreciate it. Yep. So Phi Phi Island today. Long adventure today, actually.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long day.
It should be a good day. Hopefully the weather stays at least decent. It's a little overcast today, so I don't know. We're just gonna try to sit and make use of everything we got. So, yep. But check out this view. What up, guys? So we are in our shuttle, headed to
The pier.
And then we're taking off from there.
Yeah, so we're gonna get on a speedboat.
So honestly, stay tuned because you guys don't want to miss this. It's about to be a good one. So we just made it here. Dude, we got a beautiful boat. I mean, I think it's one of these. Either that one? I don't know, but either way, it's cool because this is it holds 60, I think 60 to 70 people. Oh yeah, that one. About 60 people, but they're only taking about 35 to 40 people. So that's dope. It's kind of like a little private tour. So we'll see how this goes.
Number is 25.
Cool. Good gear. Yo. 2 piece. Here we go. Hey, what's dope about this? There's only how many people, babe?
6.
6 people on our boat. Let's go.
Including us.
Including us.
So today we go to Phi Phi Island. You see Phi Phi Island. And now we from here, Phuket province. From here. First island we call Khai Island first. Khai Island from here to Khai Island around 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, around
Nice.
30 minutes. After Khai Island we go to Phi Phi Lake.
Okay.
Phi Phi Lake first we go to Phi Phi Island.
Phi Island.
Whatever.
This is Maya Bay. Maya Bay this side.
Yeah.
And this is the other side of Maya Bay. And this is the island that people can go inside.
Oh, okay.
Why they cross because when people come inside someday peak season, more than 2,000 people.
Wow.
And very small island. You can walk around here 10 minutes. You can walk around.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're at Phi Phi Island.
This is Maya Bay.
Maya Bay.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so they usually have like where you can come, like go in the water.
Why don't we flip it? Let's flip it so y'all can see. Flip it so y'all can see. Looks like a sandbar. Yes. No, it's video. You said I see you said no, no.
Very small.
Babe, that's your family, dude.
I'm about to climb.
Look at him, look at him.
This kind of monkey, they know only how to sleep, eat, and sex. That's it.
Yeah.
It's a good life.
Can y'all see this? What's up, everybody? We just made it to our island. I don't know what this island's called.
Phi Phi Don.
Phi Phi Don. Phi Phi Don. So with our tour, we actually get complimentary lunch. So we're gonna go have a lunch right now and see how this goes.
Yes.
Cool. We got a lot of footage, so stay with it.
Hey, this is our restaurant.
Yeah. So we just got to our restaurant. We're about to see what this made of. This the awesome camera guy. This the man catching up all the footage. So here we go.
Okay guys, so we just got our food. It was like a little buffet, so we both got some pad thai, fried chicken, some chicken with peanuts, and then rice. And then we're probably gonna go back in a little. They have spaghetti.
Hell yeah.
I want some spaghetti for sure.
I want some beer.
Yum.
Lunch was bomb. Lunch was
really
fire.
good. Very good. We had a few plates, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a
About one and a half. Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, so now we're headed off to,
I don't know where we're headed off to, but we're going back on the boat.
we're back on the boat.
I think we're going snorkeling
Snorkeling.
again. So
Yeah.
that should be fun.
Yeah, the weather lucked out. We lucked out, definitely. So, okay, we'll see you guys.